Hi, one's Diecast fam. What's up? We're here with another case break. C case this time, y'all. And yeah, it took us a minute. We missed our first allocation somehow. But I'm going to cut this one open here. We do have our most lovely participant here as well.
Jen.
That's all you get, y'all.
That's all you get.
That's all you get. Jen. All right, y'all. Let's crack this puppy open. I don't want to waste any time. Let's see here. Let's just grab big old chunks. All right, I am not going to waste time on anything we've seen because I don't want to. All right, La Libre 2026 Legends Tour car. I guess technically 2025 Legends Tour car. But this is the one, I think it was it Brazil? I don't know, somewhere in South America. And that was your Legends Tour car for last year.
Cars and
but
coffee.
A new 2026 model. Yeah, cars and coffee on the hood there. All right, moving along. I think we have seen all of those, including, let's take a look at the Ferrari. I mean, come on, SF90.
I love the blue.
Yeah, it's sexy. More repeats. And one new one out of these three. Austin Mini Cooper S, new model for 2026.
Mint green.
Yeah, it's a good looking version of the Mini. I've always dug the Mini. They're cool. I doubt I could fit in one, but I've always liked them. Oh yeah, I mean Black Widow. Yeah, come on, it's Black Widow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we saw Kit Concept last time. Dark Knight Batmobile in its camo look. No, we've had it in premium. Have we had this one in basic yet? I don't know. I don't remember, y'all. Repeats. Repeats with the exception of we have the McLaren W1 now in black and blue instead of the matte gray that it was previously. And that looks good. I can dig it.
I think
What do you
I'd
think?
rather drive that McLaren than the blue Ferrari.
You think so?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, y'all. On the top side of the case, we have the F40 Competizione, and this is the main line to the Super. Unfortunately, not the Super, but if this is in the top of the case, maybe we'll get lucky. The Super will be in the bottom. What do y'all think?
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. I'm not going to hold my breath, though. Datsun 240Z, looking good in orange, y'all.
Michael Jordan's number.
Yes, as you may now guess, Jen's a big Jordan fan. Always has been. We got the Desert Drifter in purple and pink. What is that?
Some pink icing.
Got a turbo on the top. It's kind of cool. Repeats. We've got the 76 Chevette VP Racing in blue. Looking pretty good. That's probably
Did your mom have a Chevette?
She did. When I was born, my mother drove a silver Chevette. It was not.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't know.
Did
I don't know if it was cool or not, but
Did she have racing stripes?
she did. Yeah, she drifted it. Road to repeat, y'all.
You and mom, you to get the joke.
Let's see. Decidedly Go in a new version. Looking good. Lotus Cortina in a matte red. Still waiting on the Harry Potter version. You know they're going to do it. Did we have the Ghoulmobile last case? I don't know. There it is again.
I think I have seen that before. So.
Oh, we have seen it before. I just don't know if it was in the last case or not. And then we got Optimus Prime again. New colorway on the Corvette Grand Sport. That looks good. Take that too. All right. Let's pull the divider, y'all. Keep this thing moving.
Come on, Super.
All righty. I'm just grabbing. Let's see what we've got, y'all. Repeats. New version of the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L in purple and orange. The Hot Ones Diecast colors. So that's a keeper just because it's the right colors.
Just because.
Just because. More repeats. Ooh, now that's pretty. Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet, released last year at the end of the year in maroon with a pink interior. And mixed reviews on it. Obviously, the casting is amazing, but people didn't really care for the colorway on that first one. So,
What color was the
Hot Wheels got it right. That's what I said. It was maroon with a purple, with a pink interior. Y'all, come on, come on. We have the Electro Silhouette. Haven't seen that one before. I mean, y'all may have. In red and yellow. Now in white. What?
I said, what colors?
Did I say wed?
No, you said red.
Oh, I thought I don't know. I thought I screwed up. Lucid Air, and kind of, it's actually got
Ooh, I like that.
a little bit of a pearl to it.
Maroon and purple?
Yeah, I mean it's maroon, but when the light hits it just right, the purple comes out. I don't know how that's coming on camera for y'all, but yeah, Lucid Air's cool car. Cool car. I think the top of the line makes what, 1,200 horsepower or something like that? Over 1,200 horsepower?
Yeah, pink, purple, and purple.
Yeah, but we had that last case. 67 Camaro in gold with a stinker hood. I don't remember if we had that last case or not, but it's a good looking enough Camaro that we're going to talk about it.
I like the gold.
We have the 17 Audi RS6 Avant now in yellow. That looks really good, y'all. Yellow pops on that sucker. We have the Mazda RX-7 in purple. What is that? Is that
Like a bunny?
Is it Rocket Bunny? I can't read, y'all. I can't read. Anyways, it's cool. It's cool. I dig it. I dig it. Then we have the 69 Chevelle X-Racer. Oh, they've done a lot of these Chevelles X-Racers over the years. Repeats. 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 Y'all, come on. Wow. Wow. All right, y'all.
That was a quick video.
Not much there.
Hey, happy to have another truck, though.
Yeah, I mean, happy to have another Black Widow, but I mean, I don't know, y'all. That was kind of a doo-doo case. We got the Black Widow, which is always good, of course. And I'm trying to find, I should have set this in a place where I could grab it easily, but I didn't. So yeah, we got an F40 around here somewhere, y'all. Trying to find it to show it to you. Good grief. Oh, well, I suck at this. All right, y'all. Thanks for joining us for what turned out to be a pretty lousy C case. I'm not even going to lie. But hey, can't win them all, right?
Happens sometimes.
Happens sometimes. All right, y'all. We will catch you on the next one. Remember to subscribe, like, throw us a comment, help us with the algorithm, and definitely keep an eye out. Hit the bell for our shorts that we pop up every now and then. We've got some more stuff coming in the next few days, and I definitely plan on having some more videos for y'all. Hopefully more fun than this one was. All right, y'all. We'll see you soon.
Happy New Year!